I'm Adam.
I'm Lauren.
And we just bought a 1978 Toyota Pop-Top Chinook camper.
Yep, and we're working on completely restoring it, and our plan is to take it on weekend adventures because we live in Colorado. So
yeah, and we were looking at getting a van, and it was too small for what we needed, so we just decided to go with this Toyota Chinook. It didn't run when we got it, so we towed it home and rented a car dolly, and all I did was just grounded the fuel pump and adjusted the carburetor, and yeah, got it going. So did some routine maintenance to it.
Yeah, and we don't have a garage, so it's just parked in our driveway right now. But we are moving it to a shop soon. But so far, when we bought it, the original interior had a really large counter space that was super heavy. It had a sink, it had a stove, it had a heater, and we took all of that out because we don't need that to function.
Right.
On weekend trips. We're going to be redesigning the floor plan. So it also had a bunk area that we took out. We're going to be redoing that, like a separate sleeping area. We're going to have to build a bed and a bench and all of that because it didn't have that either. We ripped out the original shed carpeting. It was in pretty rough shape, and it still is. We have a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
But today we're going to be finishing out cleaning the interior, so getting the rest of the pieces out that are still
taking
left
the walls
in there.
out.
And just starting with a completely clean slate because we have a lot of projects that we're going to be doing in the future on it. So yeah.
Well, should we get to it?
Yeah.
Adam here. Why don't you come on into my crib? So as you can see, she's a little rough at the moment. And today, our goal is to get these windows out, get the walls out, and then see what we're gonna do about all this, because this sunk pretty bad. So I think eventually what we'll do is take this section of floor out, and then we'll just kind of level this back up and put a new piece of plywood in, fiberglass it all back in. Then our roof is sagged, so this will have to come off.
Yep.
And fix that. I gotta get all this nasty insulation out, maybe get a new tarp at some point, and got a lot of work to do here, so better get started. How was that?
Easy.
Fine and dandy?
Get the scraper. I'll do the scraper later.
Okay.
For now, it's clean. Fun fact. This is where we had our first date. Right here at this table.
This table.
You wear me down. My actions will be forgiven.
back. Adam's working on the engine, and the next project that I'm doing is getting all the insulation off the top of the ceiling.
Little by little, you wear me down.
Little by little, you wear me down.
Oh my god! What'd you do, just dump the battery?
Yeah, you got ground fuel.
It's gonna need new battery. She's running.
She purrs.
She's running.
She purrs.
Now we just have to get it to move. Oh, look at the lights turned on. The lights are all on. Yep, turn signal works. Turn signal's working. Oh my god. It smells like gasoline in here.